This time on Maker Hack Shack, we freshen up this base that I found in a thrift store. The last owner professionally installed this second precision pickup, and it came with this sweet thumb rest made of a steak knife. The headstock came complete with this cigarette burn. The frets are in really good condition, except for after the 12th fret, where there's no frets at all. It's fine because there's no money up there anyway. It came with custom graphics. They're cool and all, but it's just not my style. It's got some very high-end wiring. We'll be cleaning this up for sure. They must have used the steak knife they made the thumb rest out of to cut this hole. Let's get all these stickers off and start polishing. A little cutting compound will do the trick. I love the spots where the paint is worn through. It really gives it character. Fender charges a lot of money for this. Shiny. Now let's bore a hole for this wire so it doesn't have to run across the body anymore. To fix the stripped out strap holes, I use barbecue skewers with glue. Then I just cut them flush and then re-drill the holes. Good as new. You know, before I install this pickup, I think I'll reroute this hole. It is really messy. I'll just stick on my homemade template and reroute it. Now I'll level out this fretless section, make it more playable. I filled in the grooves with JB Weld. That should do it. I decided to replace this beat up pickguard with a tortoise one. Next thing to do is add the other knob hole for the other pickup. I mark it out using a caliper so I get equal distance. With the location marked, I can drill it right on the base. That way it transfers the hole and gets it in exactly the right spot. After marking out my cavity extension, it's time to cut the hole. I just use a paddle bit and then a chisel to clean it up. This is all under the pick guard anyway. Now let's get the electronics soldered in and throw this bad boy together. And one last touch. Perfect. Let's take this thing for a test drive. I'm very happy with the way this one turned out. Thanks for watching The Maker Hack Shack.